In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Commonwealth Step Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Step Pay is a service like many others that allow you to buy now and pay later. You can make purchases and split them into interest-free payments that you can manage through the Commonwealth Bank mobile app. You will find the option to see if you are eligible for Step Pay inside of the latest version of the app. So, if you want to check if you are eligible, all that you have to do is open the latest version of the ComBank app and use the search function on the home screen to look for Step Pay. You will find it under the list of main features, and immediately upon tapping on Step Pay, you will see the option to apply now. As you can see, it is accepted everywhere, no interest charges, you can divide any purchase that you make into 4 repayments, and you can do everything and manage it through the Commonwealth Bank app. So all that you have to do to use Commonwealth Step Pay is to tap Apply Now. You will immediately get a response on whether or not it is possible for you to use Step Pay. If you are approved, the spending limit will be displayed at the top. If you are not eligible for the card, unfortunately there is not much you can do. You can try contacting the customer support, but for the most part, they will give you a response as soon as you tap Apply Now. In order to improve this spending limit, all that you have to do is keep using the services, keep using your cards, and make sure that you always make your payments on time. By building up good reputation, they will automatically increase your spending limit. Once you are ready to use, tap Accept and activate the card through your cards window. As long as you have a Step Pay card activated and all set up, you can use it anywhere that MasterCard is accepted, so you can add it to a digital wallet, manage it through the app, and every time you use this card, you will be able to split the payment of any purchase you make into 4 interest-free payments that you can manage through the Commonwealth mobile banking app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Commonwealth Step Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.